Halliburton looking. Halliburton driving, pulls off, jump shot. It's good! It's good! With 0.3 of a second remaining. Tyrese Halliburton does it again. Gilgeous-Alexander on the drive, pulls back. Baseline jumper's good. OKC with their first lead of the second half. Taylor Williams, 16 points, throws it away. Halliburton comes up with it. Cross court, Siakam for the slam. It's deafening in here, a 20-point lead. Williams fires up a three-pointer. That's good. Jalen Williams from deep. He's got 20. Carlisle thought he did. Dort has to hoist one up. And he knocks it down. Lou Dort with a Hail Mary as the shot clock was expiring.